Now, open your grammar books, Unit 17. Let us revise articles, use of articles. Now, first of all, adjectives a, an, and the are usually called articles. They are really demonstrative adjectives. So, in a way, just because articles are used before nouns, they can also be called adjectives, and just because they are used before a noun and they point to a particular noun, they are to some extent called demonstrative adjectives. We say a boy, an apple, the man, or the Times of India, like this. That is why they are called demonstrative adjectives, though they are not taught like this in the lesson adjectives, but you may know that this can be taken as. Now, use of a or an. Before that, let me explain you that a or an are indefinite articles. That means they does not point out any particular or definite person. Okay, I saw a boy. A boy here means any boy riding on an ass. But the second time when I talk about that particular boy, I'll call this is the boy I saw. That means when the second time I'll talk about that same boy, I will use the. Okay, when the second time I am using the same as, I will write the before it. Understood? So the is called the definite article. Remember this, underline this also. A or an is called the indefinite article and the is called the definite article. Now come down over here. Use of a or an. You know that generally we say that a is used before consonants and an is used before vowels. But the fact is that a is used before consonant sounds. Okay, before consonant sounds. And an is used before a vowel sound. Okay, an is used before a vowel sound. Now see the examples. See the examples. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant when it is making a consonant sound. This is a grave error made by children every year. They write an year. No, a year. Year sound is coming. Year is consonant sound. E-A-R, year is vowel. An year, E-A-R, year, a year, Y-E-A-R, year. A woman, a hero, a history. Okay, so these consonants are making consonant sound and so a is used before them. Now see, these are vowels, okay, but a is written before them. Why a is written, children? Because though they are vowels, but they are not making vowel sounds. They are giving us consonant sounds. A union, the sound of U is a, and umbrella. Okay, so a union, a university, a useful book, a European, a unit. Understood? Though they are vowels, that because they are giving consonant sounds, they are making the sound of Y-U-U. That is why a is used before them. Now come on the next page. Before the word one, which begins with the consonant. Now see this. 1 rupee note, such a one-eyed man, a one-way road. Now see, here one is sounding as W-O-N, one. Okay, so we will not write an over here. Here O is giving a consonant sound. The sound of O is O, an orange. Okay, so because they are all making V sound like W-O-N, one consonant sound, so a is used before vowels, not an. We cannot say an 1 rupee note, an one-eyed man. Wrong, totally wrong. Now use of an. An is generally used before vowel sound. Okay, and what are the vowels? You must know by in class 5 that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. But blindly before vowels you will not put an. The vowels must make a vowel sound. Then only you will write an before them, such as an ass, an apple, okay, an enemy, an egg, an engine, an elephant, an Englishman. These are vowel sounds. E, A, A. These are all vowel sounds. An ink pot, E. An Indian, an ox, an orange. See, an umbrella, the sound of U is actually in the sense of vowel. An empty bottle, an ugly man. So when they are giving vowel sound, then only you will write an before them. But here see, words we have written an though they are start with consonant. Why? Because here these are silent. An are, an honest man. Okay, these are silent. So we will have written an and not a. In the same manner, you can see over here, I explained just now, though they are starting with vowel, we have used consonant. Why? Because they are giving a consonant sound. Now, use of the. The is used before particular person, before the nouns to indicate a whole class, the dog, the rose. Okay, before the name of the rivers, seas, ocean, gulfs, mountains, ranges and group of islands. Learn all them very well. Very important. The Punjab, the Deccan, the United States of America, because they are taken as one whole. They are group. Before the names of newspapers and sacred books, before the common nouns which are names of things of unique. Unique means one of its kind. Okay, unique, such as the earth, the moon, the world. Then before the name of directions, in the east, in the west, the north, the south. Before the name of races, that means community or nations. Okay, before the name of historical monuments also, we write the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, okay, the Jama Masjid, like this.